Welcome to Makeup Mania. Today we are going to be doing a Miami, Florida inspired type look. So this is the finished product. I put some red on the inner corners of my eye. Let's get started. And I have a little bit more of an intro that's following this. So let's get right into the tutorial for Makeup Mania. We are beginning this Miami look with very thin foundation. As you can see, there's a very thin veil. I'm leaving this cusp of foundation under the eyes. You'll see in a little bit, I'm gonna be adding vibrancy slowly to the face for this Miami look today. Miami look with HD foundation. We are just going very lightly across the skin to mimic the vibrancy of the beach. And as you can see, I'm not touching the under eyes there. I'm leaving that little cusp of foundation so that it can sit on my face and we can go in and do some heavy contouring for this Miami look. The concealer today was pretty strong. For a Miami look, I noticed a lot of chiseled features of the women out there, and makeup is pretty strong overall for nighttime looks. So I did a very strong contour here, very strong contour on the chin. In Miami, aside from beach life and tons of sun, and it's kind of like California in the way that they love the free lifestyle, going outside, spending their days very much outdoors, I got some bronzer to just sort of spice up the liveliness. I did not look alive at the beginning of this tutorial, as you guys saw, and I'm packing on any type of bronzer. I don't have like a specific brand today. I'm just using one from a palette that I own, and I'm getting right here on my cheek. If you can catch a little bit of the shimmer, it's right here and it's hitting like the top of your cheekbone. And you want, after that you have like a little bit of a beach glow going on already. So just spraying lots of makeup spray, makeup sealant. Do your brows next. I'm not gonna go through and show like a complete brow video for this Miami tutorial because everybody has different brows and they should be bushy for this type of look. We're gonna get right into the eyes next. What are we doing now? Eyes. We are gonna do a very simple trick to get this Miami vibe happening. I'm gonna take the same pencil I did my, and I'm kind of gonna draw like a faux lid that's deeper, and it's just a little bit darker than your skin, obviously. And just keep drawing that lid. Now you can certainly stop there and play the look safe and just stay golden and a little rosy, but for this Miami look, I decided to add some puro fuego, some fire, a little bit of red eyeshadow. We're gonna get right in the inner corner of the eye, in this area lately as a look. And the more you pat it on, I'm gonna do this off camera. We're gonna complete it with a little bit of sharper liner. Looks like you just bled from your eye, but I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you really loved this tutorial. I tried to think of the beach, I tried to think of beautiful women in Miami, I tried to think of music, the congas, the drums, everything that you think when you go to Miami. So, including the fire on the eyes there. A little too much. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to this week's Makeup Mania. We have so much in store. It's not even funny. There's so many more looks, there's so many more hairstyles, so many more outfits coming soon.